Home improvement tips straight from the DIY experts. There is a wealth of information available to help you operate a profitable business at home, from the internet to magazines to paid programming. Don't just buy everything that's out there. Watch this video first and find out the real deal about home businesses. If you are going to splurge on any home office furniture, splurge on a very comfortable office chair. You are going to spend many hours in this chair, and if it is uncomfortable, you will not be as productive as you could be, and you could technically do damage to your body. Figuring your tax deductions for your home-based business can be made infinitely easier if you designate a separate area or room of your home entirely to your business, and use it for that purpose only. It is much easier to compute, and you are much more likely to get the largest write-offs possible if you have a set, defined space. Trying to add up bits of space here and there that may have only been used temporarily are called combined use areas or transitional spaces, and make computing allowable expenses next to impossible to calculate. If you are just getting started, it is a good idea to offer something free to your customers. Many people do not want to invest their money into something they are not sure of, so offering them free products/services will give them an idea of what you are selling and let them know the quality of it. Speak with a business attorney before starting a home business. Some states have applicable business laws which you will need to be made aware of. A business lawyer can inform you of any relevant state laws that you need to be aware of. The lawyer can be a great source of guidance when starting your home business by keeping you out of trouble. When it comes to running a home business, there is no magic formula or silver bullet that works for everyone. Don't fall for get-rich-quick schemes. Your business operates just like a corporation, meaning the more you know, the more successful you'll be. Student loan.